For spot and stain removal, we can remove most spots, and we can also remove some stains. So the difference between a spot and a stain is where the spot is something where something spilled on the carpet and is a topical spot that's just sitting there. We can remove that through normal cleaning processes. Some examples of spots would be drink spills that don't change the color of the fiber of the carpet, urine contamination, maybe ketchup or makeup or glue or slime, anything that's topical sitting on top of the carpet, we consider that a spot that we can clean off the carpet. Stains could be like Kool-Aid. The red dye in the Kool-Aid can stain the fiber of the carpet, so that's something that sometimes we cannot remove, but we do have chemistry that can change the color of that to the human eye. It's kind of an interesting topic, bringing in chemistry, but we can change the way that it looks to the human eye. Another example of a stain that we can't necessarily remove, but we can change the color of, would be a coffee stain. So we can use certain chemistry to make that invisible, kind of like disappearing ink. The spot is still there, however, it is clean, and we've changed the color to make it invisible. And it's kind of an interesting way the chemistry works in the carpet to remove a coffee stain. So again, most we can remove. There are some we can't, just depending on how long it's been there. So if there's a urine stain or a coffee stain or a Kool-Aid stain that's been there for maybe 5 or 6 years, that may be a little bit more challenging to remove or change the color of to make it disappear. But if it's fresh within a couple weeks, we can typically get them out.